Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have something a little bit different that we've never actually done this on my channel before. We're going to be doing a collaboration, and before I go any further, I'm going to insert something that explains it further. It's just a couple seconds and then we'll jump right into our video. This video is in collaboration with these amazing channels. These wonderful ladies have content all related to homeschooling, and we all have kids of different ages. I'll have a huge playlist linked below in the description, so please binge their videos after you finish this one. If you're new here, my name is Bella. I'm the stay-at-home mom to my sweet 9-month-old baby girl Kennedy, and I make motivational videos related to motherhood, homemaking, cleaning, decorating, and everything in between. I hope you stick around and check out some other videos on my channel while you're here. Are you ready to play? We're gonna have so much fun. Are you ready to share our 5 favorite things to do? And I chose these 5 in particular because I think that they're super hands-on and really engaging. These are things that we do every day, and so these are tried and true, Kennedy approved ideas. We are gonna jump right into today's video, starting with my personal favorite, and Kennedy, she's already trying to get them. It's the shaker eggs. We love these Montessori style shaker eggs. They're so smooth and they're perfect for her little hands. Shake, 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 shake. And when I say these are her favorite, I really do mean these are her favorite. Whenever she hears them, even if they're in a different room, she stops what she's doing and she looks for them. It's so funny. I'm sure that if she loves these, that your babies will love them too. These are amazing for practicing fine motor skills as well as sound and pattern recognition. And don't worry, because I'll have everything linked in this video in the description box below. The next thing we want to show you is our Melissa and Doug Rainbow Caterpillar. This thing is amazing for learning the colors of the rainbow as well as working on fine motor skills by turning the little gears. Red, orange, yellow, green. The next thing I want to talk about are our rainbow rings, and these are amazing for reinforcing problem-solving skills as well as teamwork when we're putting the rings back on together. Uh-oh. You want to put them back on? Blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Yay! This next thing is super important to do every day. We're reading as well as looking at the pictures and relating it to things that we do every day. Look, it looks like Daddy's Mustang. And that one looks like Mommy's car. We're using a pop-up board book, but you can really use any picture book to do this. And we read multiple times throughout the day as well as before bed. Look, there's a forklift like what Daddy drives. Look, there's a sailboat. You've seen that. That's what Mommy likes to do during the summer. And there's an airplane. You're about to know all about those, girls. I got this from the Target dollar spot, and I love this one because it has all these pictures, so I'll point to them. I'll read the names, and if it relates to our lives, I'll tell her how we use it. After a lot of online research, I found that one of the best things you can do for motor development and just cognitive development in general is swinging. So we purchased this swing, but you don't have to go out and buy a swing. Most neighborhood parks have swings that are readily accessible, and the best part is they're free. We'll spend at least 15 to 20 minutes swinging every day, but usually more because Kennedy loves this. We hope you enjoyed our activities today, and we would love to know if you do any of these at home or if you're gonna try any after watching today's video. Just as a reminder, this is a collaboration with those other channels, so please go watch their videos, binge their content. They have very similar content to what we do here, so I know that you're gonna love them. And since this is such a big collab, we have 25 ideas together. Your kids will never be bored. Another Play School update will be on the channel very soon, but we hope you have an amazing day, and until then, bye guys!